Here's how to sign up for an AP exam. So the first thing that you need to do is to search on Google Safari or Chrome for AP courses and exam website. Once you are already on the website, click on the accept all on the terms and conditions and you will see there the AP Capstone Diploma programs and other programs that you can sign up your exam with. So as you can see, if you have an account, you can just go ahead and sign in and enter the email address that you have saved or correlated with your AP exam account. If not, you can just go ahead and click on the sign in option once again, and then below you will see there don't have an account, create an account, click on that. Afterwards, you have to create your College Board account wherein you have to fill in the necessary information such as your first name, nickname, middle initial, and then last name, as well as the date of birth and month, email address, and to confirm your email address. After putting on the necessary details below, you will see their personal information. If you're under the US, just put on your address line 1 and 2, as well as the city. And then, of course, you have to stay connected or where you wanted for them to send your email address with. And then, as you scroll down, you have to fill on the details for your parents and click on the agree with the legal terms for students and apply.